guys, so I have my foundation on already. I've already primed as well. So I primed with my Fenty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer, and I used my NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation, and this is in the shade Cappuccino. So I've already did those 2 steps, as well as did my eyebrows off camera just for time's sake. So I'm going to move on to highlighting and contouring. So I'm going to highlight with my Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. This is my go-to as of right now. I use this every single day. This is in the shade Deep Tan. So I'm going to use this to highlight underneath my eyes, my forehead, my chin, and my nose. And then to blend it out, I'm taking my Real Techniques blending sponge. I did wet this and damp it. So when you are using a sponge, you want to make sure that you always wet it so that you can blend out your product better. So I'm just going to blend this out. And today I'm going for a natural complexion with some bold liner and lashes. So alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cream contour today, and I'm taking my Fenty matchstick. I love this this matchstick to contour with because it's the perfect contour shade, first of all, and it's just so convenient and easy to blend out. I've already did a review on the Fenty matchsticks, so if you haven't seen that, I do have a video on that. So I'm going to use this just to cream contour my cheekbones. I'm not going to cream contour anywhere else. I do want my cheekbones to be a bit more pronounced for this look, so I'm going to use this and just create a small line by my cheekbones. I'm not bringing it all the way down, so I'm just bringing it, doing this, because when I blend it out, it will transfer here, if that makes any sense. So I am going to blend it out with this blending brush. This is the Quo brand blending brush, and basically I'm just going to go in circular motions to blend this out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and set my highlighted areas, and I'm taking my Fenty Banana Setting Powder, and I'm basically going to just dab the powder into all of my highlighted areas. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and powder my entire face, and I'm taking my LA Girl Pressed Powder in the shade Warm Caramel. This has been my go-to as well. And I'm just going to dab it into my entire face. And I'm using this big fluffy brush. Alright, so to powder contour, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and this is in the shade 40 Dark, and I'm going to use this to powder contour my face. So I'm dusting off the excess because this is very pigmented, so I'm just going to apply this to all of my contour. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply a bit of blush to add some color back to my face. I've been applying it on my nose as well because it does have a bit of like highlight to it. So as you can see, I kind of highlighted my nose. So I've been doing that as of late. All right, so the complexion is done. I'm going to go ahead and spray it with my Rimmel Stay Matte. This is actually a 2-in-1, so it's a primer and setting spray. So I'm going to set my face with this. And this is how I get my flawless complexion. Flawless, like I woke up like this. I love a natural beat. Like I love this. I don't know, it just makes me feel good just seeing that. You know, I have a nice natural complexion. I use makeup, but it doesn't even look like I'm wearing makeup because it's just so natural looking, right? All right, so complexion is done. I'm gonna move on to my eyes, and I'm gonna create a wing liner today. I haven't done wing liner in so long. So I'm taking my Stila liquid liner. This is one of my favorites. It stays all day. It's waterproof, I believe. Yep, it's waterproof. And it's very pigmented, like it's really black. So I've been loving this liquid liner. So I'm just gonna create a natural wing liner. Alright, so I've done my liner. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes, and I'll be back to finish up the look. Alright, so my lashes are on. These are very volumized, dramatic lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and blend my natural lashes with these lashes. I know some people do it before they apply their lashes, but I like to do it after. So I'm just going to apply some to my lashes. And I'm going to apply some to my bottom lashes. Alright, and for highlight, I'm going to take my Milani Highlighter. You guys know this one. I'm just going to add some highlight to my complexion. Just a very natural highlight. Alright, and for my lips, I'm going to go in with my Burts liner in, what is this, natural black, soft black, and I'm going to outline my lips. Right, and I'm going to go over it with my Stila liquid lipstick in the shade Sheer Carmelo. I'm just gonna go over it with a dark brown. This is in Kiss New York lip liner in the shade Chocolate. Alright, so I could keep this lip matte, or I could go over it with my gloss. I'm so tempted to go over it with this, but I'm actually liking the matte, so I think I'm gonna leave it like this. But yeah, that completes this look. Very natural, yet dramatic look. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed, make sure you're subscribed. Hit the bell so that you're notified each time I upload, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.